SnapJet. Without switching to a custom app, just place your phone on top and press print. A few seconds later, you'll have a beautiful Polaroid photo of your phone screen. SnapJet is a slim, portable instant film printer for your smartphone. It's like a tiny photocopy machine you can bring anywhere.
The best thing about SnapJet is its simplicity. All you need to do is put your phone on top, press one button, and you get a flawless photo. It doesn't need any apps, wires, or Bluetooth to function.
With SnapJet, the possibilities are endless. If you can see it, you can print it. Imagine a birthday card with a selfie that was taken 30 seconds ago. Or what about printing a custom business card at your next meeting? SnapJet's text is sharp and clear. Never be caught with an outdated business card again. And next time, instead of renting a giant expensive photo booth for your special occasion, why not use a SnapJet instead? SnapJet prints on Fuji, Instax, or Polaroid 300 film, and its innovative design can support any smartphone.
Polaroid is near and dear to my heart. As a photographer, I was just really excited about working with instant film again, and I loved that SnapJet was incorporating the use of a smartphone because it's just so convenient to take photos.
We wanted something that pushed the limits of what's possible with instant film, like digital effects, fluorescent ink, a pocket video that doesn't require a single battery, lenticular film, and transparencies that come to life with an Arduino and some simple LEDs. We're actually really excited to see what people make with SnapJet and where it's used. So the biggest challenge with SnapJet was creating a really slim device.
We designed something that takes what would normally be a lens space of about 150 millimeters and squash it down into just 1 millimeter.
We reached out to David Welker and Paradigm Optics.
We specialize in all polymer optical devices. The fiber optic array is the main component of the SnapJet scanning mechanism.
Making the custom order for SnapJet was challenging because there were material combinations that we had never done before. It basically required a reconfiguration of the entire oven to make it work.
We did all of our prototyping in-house. We used laser cutting, machining, and even a Kickstarted 3D printer to produce our first prototypes.
Once we get funding, we'll have the resources to create our injection mold tooling, we'll be able to produce our printed circuit boards in large quantities, and we'll be able to assemble our devices.
SnapJet's hardware and software will all be open sourced. We're going to release our PCB schematics, our CAD designs, and anything else that a maker would need to hack, reprogram, and make it better. One day, we envision SnapJet's optical technology in a printer so slim that it could be part of a smartphone case.
SnapJet is an amazing creative tool. It's a great way to connect, to preserve memories, and it's really fun.
By backing SnapJet, you're backing the idea that innovation should be open to everyone. And instant film technology, pioneered by the iconic Polaroid company in 1948, still has a few surprises in store for us. Now, we really need your help on Kickstarter to back our project and make SnapJet a reality, and we won't stop until it's in your hands.
Join us in revolutionizing instant film.
Hi, I'm Fu. I'm Keller.
And I'm Peter.
And we're the co-founders of Remotive. We're building the first smartphone robot for everyone. By combining your smartphone with a robotic base, we can build robots that do awesome things for a fraction of the cost.
Romo's pretty amazing. He smiles at you, he's happy to see you. It seems like it has a personality of its own.
Using Romo is really easy. You simply download our app, plug your phone into the robotic face, and watch him come to life. You can then control him from any iDevice or your Mac. He's a pet, a toy, a robotic avatar, a powerful educational tool, and a blank slate for advanced robotic programming.
He's a robot that's fun, easy to use. You can't help falling in love with him.
He's so pretty. Look at this little face. Look at that face.
He's a cute, friendly, cuddly bot.
He's pretty emotional.
Why are you mad? I'll take care of it. Don't worry. All right, hang on.
Personal robots are one of the great unfulfilled promises of science fiction, because today they're either plastic toys or million-dollar tech showpieces. That's why at Remotive, we're trying to create the world's first affordable personal robots.
We launched our first Kickstarter in October last year.
Your pledges from our original Kickstarter helped us create this company. Since then, we've built an amazing team of nerds and a powerful new robot.
While we were proud of our first robots, this next generation Romo is 10 times better. New circuit board, new software, new hardware.
He's faster, more durable, and works great with your iPhone and iPod Touch. He has a new mechanism that gives him 60 degrees of tilt, and we think you'll love his all-new design.
You can use any iOS device, including the new iPhone 5, to control Romo.
But use your previous generation iPhone or iPod Touch to be his brain.
Your support on Kickstarter will help us build advanced new software, which you'll be able to download for free on the App Store.
Plus, you get a robot.
We're working on a ton of really cool features, like autonomous navigation so that Romo can get around the house by himself without bumping into things, face recognition so that Romo can have a different relationship with each person in the house, and graphical programming so that people with no technical background can create their own custom behaviors and personalities for the robot and share them with their friends.
And that's stuff that nobody has put into like a $150 robot.
Even cooler, we're building an API around each of those functionalities so that any developer out there can create their own custom apps and publish them to all of our users. We are so excited to be back on Kickstarter to bring this robot to you before anyone else.
Thank you, Kickstarter!
Smartphones are a brilliant invention. They function as our camera, our GPS, our flashlight, and even as our entire computer. App developers do their best to make user interface as simple and intuitive as possible.
To play music, roll your eyes. Message sent to mom.
But sometimes it's easier to manage things with a physical controller. Meet Nimi and Boozy, the inventors of Pressy, a new way to control and automate your everyday smartphone actions. Pressy is a tiny physical button that connects to your headphone jack and sends unique signals to an intuitive app that can activate one of many commands. Here are some of the many things you can do with your Pressy. Take instant photos and upload them to your favorite social network. Turn on your LED light. Send your location for emergencies. Start a discreet tape recording.
Don't tell anyone, but I like bears.
Check into your favorite social network, and much more. Pressy is not just a one-trick pony. You can easily configure the Pressy app to execute different actions for different sequences of clicks. For example, 2 short clicks can call your mom, and 2 long clicks can call your dad. But what if you want to use your headphones? Just let Pressy rest in the special keychain and use the headphone button as Pressy. It all still works. Pressy even has an API, so developers can bring you more cool features. Pressy, the almighty button.
In 2006, Apple introduced this, the magnetic charging adapter. It revolutionized the charging experience for MacBook users. It's compact, simple, and safe. It prevented unwanted accidents and made charging easier. But that was almost 10 years ago. So why hasn't something similar been made for our mobile devices? We ventured into tackling this challenge last year, and we call it Snaps. With Snaps, you can charge your mobile device in the easiest way possible. For when you only have one hand free, or you're in a hurry to head out. Snaps is all about making your life just a bit more convenient. It also protects your phone, wherever you are.
One of the biggest hurdles in designing Snaps was its compact size. We wanted to make sure that it is compatible with any phone case you might have. To achieve that, we custom-made many of the internal components. After numerous prototypes and countless hours of testing, we've finally condensed Snaps into the size of your fingertip. Quick, simple, convenient. It's Snaps.
It's no secret that mobile devices are becoming increasingly powerful and more useful every day. We live in incredible times, where smartphones enable us to work, play, stay connected, and share experiences from anywhere in the world. Unfortunately, most smartphone batteries die before the end of the day. If you're out and about, you will need a charging cable that travels with you. We've studied these challenges and created a charging solution that's compact enough to take on the go, easy enough to share, and compatible with 90% of devices. This is LiteWire, your key to secure, hassle-free charging for all Lightning and micro USB devices. It's the fastest, smallest, and safest dual charging cable in the world. We designed LiteWire to be the most compact dual charging cable on the market. It easily fits into the palm of your hand, so you can attach it to your keys, drop it in your bag, or put it in your pocket and never have to worry about charging your devices again. LiteWire is universal and combines the two most widely used connectors into one charging cable that's easy to share with anyone, whether they use an iPhone or Android device. It's the only charging cable you will ever need. When you need to use a public charging station or someone else's computer, LiteWire prevents accidental syncing and data exchange, protecting your data and personal information. We knew you don't always have a lot of time to charge your devices. That's why we engineered LiteWire to charge your mobile devices at the speed of light. It's up to twice as fast as regular cables, allowing you to top off your battery quickly during those times you're away from the wall. And it's tough enough to withstand whatever comes along during your day. We made LiteWire unforgettable. It comes in 5 color selections, so you'll always have a charging cable that fits your style, and we've kept the prices small, just $11.
For the past 7 months, we've created the fastest, smallest, and safest dual charging cable you will ever find, and now we are ready to produce it.
So join the compact dual charging revolution, and let's take charge of our devices.
Meet NanoHold. Nano suction for your mobile device, smartphones, and tablets. NanoHold looks simple, but with nano suction technology, NanoHold material has millions of microscopic suction cups. NanoHold sticks without being sticky, so you can place your smartphone